We were on the Allure of the Seas in Costa Maya on December 1st. We rented a golf cart to explore Costa Maya. We were advised of a place called the Krazy Lobster, which we decided to go visit. There were massages on the beach, $20 for a full hour. The ship was clearly in view. After a relaxing day with some good food and some good drinks on the beach, we rode back to the port. We had to show our ship card to get back into the port area. The flamingos are absolutely beautiful. And back to the ship after a great day in Costa Maya.